Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blood orange Moscow Mule. Now I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. I'm going to leave links in the descriptions if you guys want to get these mugs. I'm giving 20% off right now. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vodka. I'm using Tito's, ginger beer, blood orange, and fresh lime juice. Alright, I'm going to start by adding ice into a Mule mug. Now I'm going to add 3 ounces of fresh blood orange juice. The juice of whole lime, one and a half ounce of vodka, I'm gonna mix it, and finally I'm just gonna top it up with ginger beer. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give this a try. Alright, so right away I can tell you that this one is super refreshing. The blood orange is a bit bitter, but it balances with the sweetness from the ginger beer. It has a beautiful red color. I'm pretty sure you're gonna impress your friends and family with this cocktail. 8 out of 10. I definitely recommend this one. And that's how you make the blood orange Moscow Mule. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!